Welcome to another Countdown to Christmas Crafting with Hawaii. We got 7 days left to Christmas, and today we're going to go over how to iron on pleather, which is basically fake leather material. So today I'm going to iron on a cosmetic bag that is made of fake leather. We have glitter iron-on, which is Cricut brand, and I'm going to put my Teflon sheet to protect my material, and with my Cricut Easypress I have it preheated at 290 degrees, and I'm just going to put it there for about 5 seconds just to heat it up, because we want to do a warm peel and try to peel up the carrier or transfer sheet that's on the back of this, and make sure you put your cut mirrored so that you can put the glitter side up. Now I first tried to peel off the design from my unicorn design and it didn't come off, so I had to re-iron it again. I just left it for another 2 to 3 seconds, and the second time the transfer sheet peels off completely. Saw a little piece of glitter and just removed that. Put the Teflon sheet back on, and here I'm heating it up a second time, just kind of making sure I'm putting even heat all over my heat transfer vinyl iron-on design. And again, you want to not put too much pressure and too much heat for too long. You want to move it so you don't actually deform the leather. And this is the finished product with the heat transfer vinyl design. Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.